The nibble. Good negotiating skills are critical for any sales professional. Hi, I'm Kevin Graham, I'm Managing Director at Empowered Sales Training. Have you ever heard of the nibble? The nibble is what you get after the deal is done. In any sales process, there comes a point, long before the paperwork's done and things are truly finalized, where both sides have a recognition that they're going forward, that the deal will be done. This is the point where you can start to nibble. And also, you need to protect against being nibbled upon. You see, once the main recognition is through, it's realized that the deal's going to go forward. So the little things that you agree to at that point aren't going to disrupt the big deal. So instead of trying to get everything cleared up front, save a few things for after the deal's recognized, and then nibble away. Empowered Sales Training offers custom programs for sales success. Contact us at the number on the screen or online at empoweredsalestraining.com.